Kusenjalo, ungqongqoshe wezemali uqinisekisile ukuthi inkulumo yesabelomali izokwethulwa mhla ziyi-12 kuNdasa. Lokhu ungqongqoshe uqinisekise ngesikhathi enesithangami nabezindaba emva kokumenyezelwa kokuhlehla kwesabelomali.
Further discussion in cabinet will take place in preparation for a new or amended budget to be tabled on the 12th of March 2025. That's your next date for the new budget.
Ungqongqoshe ofisini likaMengameli uKhumbudzo Ntshavheni uchithile okushiwo isitatimende esikhishwe iDA nebisithi iDA eyingxenye yeGNU ibiphikisana nokuthi intela yezimpahla ikhushulwe ngo-2% nokwenze kwahlehla inkulumo yesabelomali.
It was neither a DA issue, an ANC issue, a PA issue, or a DA versus ANC, or a PA versus ANC, or IFP versus ANC. It was a cabinet decision.
uGodongwana uthi ukukhishwa kwentela akukona okubangela ukuthi amaqembu ayingxenye yeGNU angaboni ngasolinye.
What we are grappling with is not necessarily the 2% per se. What we are grappling with, given the challenges and priorities that we are facing, how do we fund them? Really, that's the debate. Do we borrow more? What are the implications of that? Do we continue cutting expenditure? What are the implications of that? Do we raise tax? What are the implications of that? There's general agreement that in the current environment, we need to find a way of funding our priorities.
Ukuhlehliswa kokwethula kwenkulumo yesabelomali ngomzuzu wokugcina kube nomthelela ongemuhle ekuhwebeni kwerandi ezimakethe njengoba libonakale lehla emva kwesimemezelo.